Eric, the whole concept of a digital twin is used by many, many industries, but you're saying that we need this for application development. Explain what a digital twin is and why we need it for app development.
Digital twins are really just creating a model on a computer of the object of significance in your industry and then testing that model instead of the actual thing. And the problem with application development and application security is that we only have two states that an application can live in. It can be code, or it can be an executable. There is no model state that can be used for testing, like an architect would test a model of a building. You might want to test when you realize that you need to upgrade an open source package in order to fix a vulnerability. You might want to decide between a minor release of that package and a major release of that package. And you'll want to test it on the digital twin, on the model of the application, to see what the impact is of those different choices that you have.
This really just has to do with how can we build it so it doesn't break down, I guess, because, applications have issues.
When you're an innovative company like Backslash and you come up with new technologies and new approaches, one of the decisions you have to make is, should we only focus on security or should we focus on other aspects of the application, the aesthetics of the application? We're choosing to focus on using the model, using the digital twin of the application, which we call the app graph, purely for the purposes of application security. But who knows, in 5 or 10 years, when we're a $10 billion company, we might branch off to other areas to use this app graph digital twin model that we create.
What I love about sort of development is you have this sort of intention of, well, this is what we think people are going to use it for, and yet they tell you how they're going to use it. So what did you learn from your customers when you released Backslash?
What customers really love is the fact that our model of the application is annotated with business process information. And we were surprised at how enthusiastic they were about categorizing their findings with Backslash by business process, because no other tool out there has that business process analysis built in to the risk analysis for the application code.
For those of you interested in learning more about Backslash security, want to create a digital twin of your application so you can really test it against the security elements that are out there, pretty much in a safe space. So it's not just code or executable. It's in this more design, workable, see how it would behave in the environment space. You got to go check out what they're doing over at Backslash Security. The address for it is right there, backslash.security. Go check them out.